Okay, so my other video got fucked up, but here you go. 500R Kawasaki 2005 Ninja. It wasn't starting, wasn't doing anything, so I had to change the starting solenoid, which is down there. They're pretty easy to change. Make sure you get the wiring correct. Then I got a new battery, because battery is critical. You need the cranking amp power. Changed all the fuses. Now I need to remove the throttle body. Everybody calls this a carburetor. It's a throttle body. It's fuel injection. Got the fuel injection needle in here, fuel injection needle in here. And then, what I did was I colored these lines because you don't want to get them mixed up, you know. So this one I made it white. I painted the peg here white, so I know when I take it off, that's where it goes. I painted that one red, so that way I know that the peg goes there. This is your vacuum line. You can tell because it's the one that moves. You know, the fuel line would not move like that, so that's how you know that that's your vacuum line. This is your vacuum line that goes to the PEC. Okay, this is your fuel line. It goes to the bottom of the carburetor where it shoots the fuel into the throttle body via fuel injection. Okay, so we're gonna take this off because it's still not coming on. We're gonna take this off, and I'll show you now. Underneath these, there's these the jets, the needle for the jets. It's a screw. You gotta be careful when you take them out. All right. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then hopefully when we put all this back together, the baby's gonna start. This is what it sounds like right now. Okay, so we'll come back to another video.